got a parcel again. Spyder Auto. Thank you. For these. Get these open.
One eternity later.
Okay. So this is the setup I went with. Got them from Spyder Auto. Some halo lights. I was gonna go with this other setup, but I'll show them up on the screen here. Yeah, I was gonna go with those, but you know, I see a lot of people putting those on their vehicles, so yeah, let's kind of stay away from there, I guess. But yeah, this is what I got. Let's go and install them. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just take out these little bars here. Start removing the headlights. If you guys noticed in my last video, you guys probably noticed I had LEDs for headlights. I'm going to swap with the whole housing. Take out this bottom right here. There's this clamp over here on the side. Push in. Pull out. Just like that. And where we're going to tap in right into this guy here. I'll find out which one's the running light and which one's the signal. Which, most likely, it's the brown wire here. Alright, so got the lights out. Got these wires spliced open so I can cut open so I can splice them. Went ahead and did them on both sides. So just gotta hook these guys up and then we're set. There you have it. One side, let's get everything tightened up here. Wired, taped, we got it. Hook up the other side and then see the final product. Alright, so got them installed. Most likely I'm gonna have to do some adjusting here. Just look at this. Oh, finger under there. Other than that, I like the look. See this one too. Big gap. Other than that, that's it. So I'm pretty sure all the wiring would pretty much run the same with all the Tahoes, Silverados, and Sierras. Pretty sure. But yeah. So drop a like if you found this video helpful. If not, dislike it. I don't care. But yeah, stay, like, subscribe. Until then, see you guys next video.